Bro, these bikes are so cool, bro. Look at that. The spare tire, bro. That's crazy. Yeah, look at my friend. Bro, he's so funny. Bro, our bike is so cool, though. I like it. Well, anyways, this is for the men's mental health. One thing we did not know is that we were supposed to dress for the occasion. This is our first time here, so look at man, he's dressed like a fucking Power Ranger and stuff. So am I, but that's okay though. Bro, I like that helmet, bro. I think I only seen those in like the movies. That bike is so cool. Run, buddy, run. Almost there. Dude, that's a nice bike, bro. I like it. Rhode Island? What? Bro, that bike is... Bro, Jesus. What kind of bike is that? Bro, where is Rhode Island? Isn't that close to like New York? Wait, I'm trying to remember now. Is he telling the Waymo to stop, bro? There's nobody in there. I'm telling you, I feel like that car is just gonna... Has he not realized that there's nobody in there? Hey, Matt! There's nobody in there! What is he doing? Yo, that car don't care, bro. He's like, fuck those motorcycles. Yo! Bro, not the way move. Breaking the law, bro. We're going on the left side? Bad. Bad. Okay. Never done that before. Well, we do have a police escort, so I don't see why not. Hell yeah. Bro, every time I hear those police sirens, I panic. I feel like they're after me. Whoa. Let's slow down here. I wonder how hard it must be to like drive one of those. And I'm not talking about a straight line. I mean more as in, you know, cornering and stuff like that. If anybody of you in the comments has one on a bike like that, similar to that, let me know. Bro, I was about to say, what is he doing? But I realized that's a cop. Never mind. You can do that. Hell yeah. Bro, I swear, but those police sirens, bro, they make me panic. I feel like they're after me. It's actually my first ride in this type of event, you know, for mental health. So yeah, hello. Bro, he needs to stop doing that, bro. That shit scares the fuck out of me. It gets it every single time, bro. Oh my god. It's like I hear him, but I don't know where he's coming from. And then next thing you know, he passes by me. Jesus. Wait, are we back at the same spot? I think so, right? Yes, we are. Whoops. I like that. I like that. That was fun. Oh shit. Yeah. Come on, keep going. Bro, it's like he knows, bro. It's like he knows. There you go. Yeah. Hey, what's up, man? Hey, I like your bike.
Hey, thanks.
It's really nice.
Appreciate it.
I love the gold he has on it.
Yeah, I like it too. The lights are so bright, man. I like that.
I know.
Yeah.
See all the deer and the hogs.
Yeah, I like the helmet too, man. That's nice too.
It glows in the dark.
Yeah. Oh, does it really?
Yeah.
Nice. Damn, it's so nice.
Thanks.
Is it heavy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
600.
Huh?
About 600.
Jesus. Is it hard to turn?
No.
No?
No.
Okay.
No. I can. Look over here. See, you can scrape on it.
Yeah, I see that. That's where your feet goes, right?
Yeah, but you can scrape.
Yeah, I see. Damn, this is so nice. The exhaust pipes. That's custom made?
Yeah.
Or that's how it came with? No.
I added all that.
Damn, that's so nice. I like it. I really like it.
Added all the carbon.
Yeah.
All the fenders.
And then I'm telling you, man, the helmet is so nice too. I like it too.
Thanks.
Yeah. Hey, what is that for? That gold stuff in the back?
It's a suspension. Olin suspension.
Oh, so you can adjust it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Wow, I didn't know that.
The sport bikes, like the Ducati.
Yeah. Yeah, see, like you talking about this one?
Yeah, she's the same. She's got the same thing. She's got Olin's.
Oh,
It's the
okay,
same
okay.
thing, but the bags are in the way, so they put it in the back
Oh,
with the
okay.
hose.
Yeah. And is that how it came with, or also
No,
did that?
No, I added that.
Nice. That is so cool, man. I like it.
Thanks.
Yeah. Bro, what is this? BMW. I have no idea what I'm looking at. Oh, 750 cc's. Nice. What bike is this? What? I don't think I've ever seen a bike like this before. I'm talking about like the brand of it. A Honda? What? Yo, it looks cool. Like the little seat and stuff. Hell yeah. Bro, this bike's just so nice, bro. Look at this BMW, bro. Look the purple on it, bro. What? Don't know. Bro, what is it? Look at the seat, bro. Triumph, okay. The battery, look what the battery is at, bro. Oh, antique motors? What? Wait, is this actually like spray painted with like that plastic stuff? I think it is. I don't know if you guys can see like the texture on it. The carbon fiber, nice. I like that it's all black and stuff, nice. It's all clean and shiny, not like my bike. I like the skull. The saddlebag, whatever. Nice, I like that. Wait, is that how fast it goes? 120. Yeah, look, we have another skull right there. Nice. The Ducati, bro, what? Zero. What does it say? Zero. What? Bro, I'm shocked. I don't know. I don't know what. What? Zero SR. Bro, who owns this bike? What is it? Is that where like your battery goes or something? Oh look, another one with no chain. Like it has like some kind of belt. Why does it say zero? I might sound dumb or some shit, but is this shit electric? There's no way, right? Hey, everybody tell Matt, look at his chain, bro. Look at his chain. Look at this, bro. I'm putting that on YouTube, bro. Look at that.
Oh, fuck off, man.
Everybody tell, look at that, bro. Look at that. Your chain's gonna come off. Hey, I'm gonna put that on YouTube. Everybody in the comments, bro, tell Matt he needs to tighten his chain, bro. Hi. Hello. You want your chain? Your chain? There, bro, that's just all fluffy like that, bro. Hell nah. I was trying to make him go right, bro. He didn't want to.